Hello to all my friends out there. And so last night I had chicken late. And so I have leftover chicken, so I wanted to make some rolls to go with my chicken and gravy. But I don't want to spend much money, so I made these rolls. And the other day I made pizza. And that was the most delicious pizza crust ever. And I thought, oh, I bet this would make some great rolls. So I just used my pizza dough recipe, and I used rapid rise. And I cut these little, I cut them almost all the way through. And then I put a little shortening on the bottom and a little olive oil on top. And so I will let these double in size, and I'm just raising them one time. They'll be fine. And then, I should be able to easily break these apart and dip these in a little of my gravy, or I might have a little bit of jam. So let me give you the recipe. Okay, so here is the recipe. And so what I did, this beating the batter for 3.5 minutes really makes your bread fluffy. If you make bread at home, you can never get it like the grocery store. Okay, this is going to be good, and it doesn't take long to rise either. I use this rapid rise. And so what I did was I combined 2 cups flour, 1 package rapid rise, and 1.5 cups salt, and I stirred that around. I added 1.5 cups warm water. I just heated it in the microwave, and I added 1 tablespoon olive oil, and then I mixed it. It ended up to be about 3.5 minutes, and then I just mixed by hand enough flour to make like a bread dough, a soft bread dough, and I kneaded it for a couple minutes, and then I made it into the biscuits. Also, this is really great. And I will have a little mint tea. Here's my leftover chicken. What I'll do is I'll just cut my chicken in some little bite-sized pieces, and I bought this chicken gravy at Albertsons. I don't want to spend much, eating leftover chicken. That's not smart. And then, I have some instant mashed potatoes in the freezer, so I want to use those up. And I bought this bread at, I think it was 99 cents only. I bought this before. It's really, really good. So look, you can see my rolls are rising already. So, okay, I'll be back in a little while. What I do is I just make the gravy, cut the chicken up, and put the potatoes in the middle, to get gravy on my potatoes. And, I'll make some, I'm trying to eat more fresh vegetables, and fruit. I am not a big fruit eater. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to say, okay, fruit is dessert. So I'm coming up with some kind of fruit dessert. I don't know what yet. You'll know when I know. And okay, God bless you all. Oh, and thanks for the comments. I really like the comments. I have been busy. I've been working, but hopefully I'll get to them. So God bless you all.